Hi everyone, I'm Gabby, and I would like to invite my other colleagues, Marius and Leontine, here with me.
Hello,
Hi
Hello.
guys, how are you?
Yeah, we're
we
fine.
are very
Yeah.
well. Excited to
Okay,
be here.
so we should start with a new project. Shall we do a different one, or shall we take some projects from the comments? Let's say.
That
What?
sounds great. Let's ask.
Okay, so we'll have 2 minutes where people can say which project to create.
Let's see. I think we should have some background music. Let me check.
Okay. Okay,
And how
that's
was
some
your day, guys?
clubbing atmosphere. Very nice. Okay,
That
so
said, built us a diet recipe generator.
I don't know about you guys, but I need that.
That's a good suggestion.
Look, we also have a taxi dispatch system from Georgia. Okay, Rummy game. To be honest with you, I don't know how to play Rummy, so if we decide to build that one, I'm going to need your assistance, guys, if you know how to play it.
Yeah, I
But
played a few times, but not so much.
let's wait for some more suggestions until more people arrive as well.
Yeah.
Holidays booking system from Ziba.
Okay.
That's an interesting suggestion, actually.
Yeah, the holidays are.
Right, right around the corner. So yeah.
Let's wait for some more suggestions. Or website that covers all who likes house music can find different events in different countries, create sub-communities. That's a challenging platform to create. Advent calendar. Madelina, I'd like a dream portal where I can write my dreams as they happen and create images for them so I can remember. That will be really helpful.
Look,
Yeah.
I found a combination of IMDb and Netflix. How does that sound, guys? I'm a very big movie person, so I'd like this project. Shall we build
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Okay, just give me a second. I will start sharing my screen right now. Okay, bear with me, please. Present. Okay, share screen. First screen, okay. Okay, and we're going to start. Let's start by planning it first. I would like to build a Netflix platform that has some IMDb functions instead of So I want the Netflix design, and instead of the actual movies, I would like to see the trailers from those movies. Let's ask Biela. Okay, this sounds like an interesting project. Okay, so let's start answering Biela's questions. Are you thinking of the grid-based browsing interface with movie posters? Yes. The horizontal scrolling categories?
That could be nice.
I would like I would like to see the most recent movies, the trending actors, and then the movies categorized by genre. Okay, auto-playing trailers.
It's
Hovering
a
over
nice
the
feature to have.
screen. To be honest, I would like to see the static posters of the movies, and then when I click on it, when a model will appear, I would like to see the trailer itself instead of the actual movie. I would like to see the static posters. I would like to see the static posters. Okay, a clean dark. Yes. Okay, so IMDb functions. Uh, I think we'll answer these questions later because I would like to connect an API key from IMDb. So in that order, so that we will have those movie trailers, the casting. So all the data will be coming from the API.
You're saying about TMDB?
Yeah, I think so. It's not called directly the IMDb. It's called.
Yeah.
Let's
There's a movie database, TMDB.
exactly.
You can
Let's
access.
use the movie database. How was it called? TMDB.
TMDB.
TMDB for it. Okay, we should go TMDB, the movie database. I should already have an account or not. Join TMDB. Okay, we'll sign up.
Madelna says that we could separate the movies in genres and or directors, which is actually a good idea.
Directories. Okay, that's a good idea, but I would like something. How should I say it? More personalized. So I would like to have my own profile page. On that profile page, I would like to have my list of movies, and perhaps there we can sort them by directories. Or what would be your approach, Marius, Leontin? How should you how do you suggest to make this?
Personally, I like to just look at the genres of what movies there are there and just pick whatever I feel like watching. I don't really use something that's customized for myself. So
Mm, I like to see some suggestions, like what would you watch or something like that based on my latest movies that I watched.
That's a very nice idea. It's a very nice idea.
Yeah, something like Netflix.
Steve, give me a second. API. Okay, so let's see what. Let's ask it to build it directly. Go ahead and build it.
I'm
By the
searching
way, is
about
it
IMDb, and we need to show a condition on the website that the website uses the TMDB API. So don't forget to mention that to Biela.
Yes. Oh my god, this is some fast coding.
Oh, why so fast?
Well, to be honest with you, I just connected the Ethernet cable, and right now you can see some updates. Hero
Yeah.
section.
Biela is faster than ever.
Okay, just give me a second until I get an API key. Okay, okay. Let's see the output here, and I think it's start loading,
Whoa, movie flicks.
but it already says to us to go to the TMDB API key. It provides us with the link and then give us the instructions to replace demo key in an AMV with my actual API key. Okay, let's go to the EMV and see replace with. Let's
Yeah, I think you should build the project again, if I'm not mistaken.
look.
Yeah,
No need. We just
Whoa.
needed introduce and oh my god. So this is from the project given by two prompts. One of these were just to explain to Biela. So this is from one build prompt only. And look how cool it is. Okay.
It's better than Netflix.
Damn. I don't know about you guys, but when I see the projects that BIELA made, it made me so happy that I'm working here. Okay, so we already have the posters. Let's see the trailer for a movie, and I think we found our first bug. It doesn't play. Okay, we also have here a short description of the movie, the cast, the director, the country. I want to try something before we move on with the project. From the TMDB API, what other data can you provide for us? And let's see what other information do we have about movies, about actors, about directors.
Yeah, but imagine BIELA code this with $1.
Oh my god, yes, $1.05. So
$1.
how much do you think, guys, it will cost a regular developer? Because I don't think I would charge less than, let's say, €1,000 only for this front end. I don't know your rates, but I think that's a reasonable offer. Look, dev cost, it will be around $1,000. Okay, so we have here enhanced movie data, movie reviews and user ratings from TMDB community, movie trailers, teasers, and behind the scenes. What do you think we should extract from? Here? Perhaps we should let our viewers decide what do they want to appear on the movie platform.
I'm
Meanwhile,
not gonna lie, I will dot all of them. Let's see what BIELA can do.
complete filmography. Okay, let's choose popular movies by region and country. Region should be should be UAE. Top rated movies of all time. Why not? Upcoming movie releases, because we want to see and highlight them.
Madelina is saying, I'd like to be able to make my own profile and choose a profile pic. Can you do that? We can't, but BIELA will do it.
Yes. Okay. Upcoming movie releases. Let's choose the trending TV series as well. I want you to add all these data to our Netflix live platform. And this is our second prompt, third prompt, or fourth. And we only give 2 build prompts, and we already have something. Let me go full screen. That we already have something that already looks better than most of, I don't know, 90% of the movie platforms like IMDb or Cinemagia or other platforms like this. I saw also that the trailers button do not work. We will need to integrate that, and I'm thinking to display this poster first, and then when I play trailer in the same model, to see the trailer as well. Do you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay. So latest releases trending now, popular in UAE. Okay, that is so nice. Top rated all time. I think it's time to start solving some errors. Okay, so the play trailer button, the play trailer button does not work. I would like in uh, the same model with movie details. When I press play trailer, I I should be able to see the trailer. Okay, start building again. Meanwhile, can make some research about other bugs as well.
Yeah, Madalina, I have a suggestion here. Let's make this more Biela.
Let's make this more BIELA. What are your suggestions?
Change the
What's
background color and the fonts, maybe.
okay? Okay,
How about Biela Flix?
that's not a bad name actually.
Yeah.
Dev Shark says that I would like to have a suggestion system based on files, on likes, on or super likes, and I would like to be able to search. Yeah, the search system would be the search feature would be very useful. But I think we already have it since I see the search movies. Yeah, I don't know if does it
No,
work.
it
Yeah, it does work.
already works. Okay,
That's
that
one
was
box checked.
unexpected. Okay, so we have here the movie Godfather. Let's see if this works. This do not work yet, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's because we don't have my list. That should be our next prompt to give Biela to make Biela write us my list page in order to select our favorite movies. Then if we have enough time, we can connect it to the database, and as Madalina suggested, we can make user accounts. Those user accounts, um, we will need to use Supabase buckets in order to upload pictures. This will be a little bit harder, but no pressure. We will see more about Supabase functionalities. Should we give Biela the prompt again? Or is it because my internet is very slow?
Let's check the code tab. Let's see the movie model component.
Just give me a second. Hmm. Let's stop the prompt and give it again. Meanwhile, let's take another look at the project. Let's see different pages. So only the main page.
Yeah, Biela will create them.
Okay.
Okay, so a page was updated, and now Biela is creating TV model.
Yeah, it started coding.
Oh, even the diffs are so fast.
I know, I know. So should we give some prompts without the diffs? This will be more costly in terms of tokens, but I think we can manage.
Yeah, let's check. Let's see.
Okay, let's see the trailer for movie RS, and
Whoa.
Hey, it does work.
yes,
Awesome.
but I would like something better. When I press play trailer, the trailer should play automatically. Let's see if we can make this work. I'm very curious because we're going to use third party like YouTube for this, and I want to see if we have that function available.
I think Biela can make it autoplay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
we can do. Let's check trailers from other movies. Okay, so it reloaded because it already finished. Okay, Conjuring. And not yet. Hmm. Okay. Let me try again to refresh the page. You see it loading, but the trailer loads for a second, but then I have to press play again. Please fix it as the trailer should not right after pressing play.
Yeah, maybe we should start thinking about the other pages.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I just want to check if this is going to work. Okay, so meanwhile, let's see other trailers if we have time. The
Hmm.
Woman Cabin 10. Okay, we have the trailer.
Yeah, I think all of them work. Uh, let's
Yeah,
think about
let's think
the
about some other features instead.
my list and browse by language.
Okay, I would like to create my list page where I can add movies from, the main page. Then we can go ahead and do the movies page, then the TV series page, and I think then we can start integrating the database.
Yeah, that sounds nice.
Do we have a login system?
Uh, I haven't seen, but before connecting the database, I think we should create one with dummy data.
Yeah.
That'll be a lot afterwards.
Yeah, I've seen dev sharks in comms wanted an account and get paid to watch movies. What do you say about these guys?
Well, that doesn't sound bad at all. Okay,
Yeah,
let's.
I think Netflix has this, or
Oh, I want to add something that I'm pretty sure that Netflix does not have it yet. If Does Netflix have that option to generate random movies for you to watch? So if you have no clue, let's say you can select the genre you want to see, and then the platform will choose a movie for you. How does that sound?
That sounds great. That's a random picker that should be integrated. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, I'm trying to imagine how I could code that, but that's so hard.
Okay. We have
Let
here.
Biela do
my
that
list.
for us.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Let's see this feature. Look, and we selected. Let's pick more movies. Add,
Hmm,
add
I think I
a,
would like to see a heart.
a
You know,
what?
that's so usual to have a heart to select.
Oh, all
Like a
right,
like
all right.
system.
Yeah.
Yeah, my list. Okay, okay, and this is some design I do not like it. Let's see. Okay, it removed as well. When I want to add a movie to my list, there is a check mark icon. Could you replace that with a heart icon? Let's see how this goes. It shouldn't be a problem at all for BLA, but sometimes AIs can be lazy. So let's see the output.
Whoa, so fast.
Yep, you see. So,
Yeah, maybe you should refresh it. I don't know.
okay, let's try refreshing it before.
You still have
Shall we,
last.
let's be more specific with BLA, okay? On the movies modal, next to play trailer button, I have a plus icon which adds the movie to my list. I want that plus icon to be replaced by a heart icon.
So Modelina is saying, what if we made a page dedicated to the movies that have the worst rating? What you could give them a chance? You know, one day I think I watched a movie with a 3.2 rating, and it
Okay.
was a good movie. It was a good movie. I don't know why people rate that so low. But we can do that. No, we can't. Biela will do it.
Why don't we have a separate section, worst movies or worst TV shows ever, and we'll place it right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, that is
Oh,
perfect now.
that's
So
nice.
the heart,
That's
the
nice.
heart is here, and I should be able to see only these movies because every time I'm refreshing the page, will erase my data from my list. Keep in mind that all these movies and TV series come through an API key from TMDB API. Okay. What should we do next? Because you told me.
Let's
Oh,
create the movies and TV shows pages.
okay, that is great. Create create. Let's start with the movies. The movies page. On that page, I want to see latest releases, upcoming movies, uh, popular actors, directors, and movies by genre. Okay, let's enter.
Modelina is saying, or you could separate them in movies to watch alone, movies to watch with a loved one, movies for family time, and so on. I think we can create a page only for
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea at all.
Yeah.
Let's wait for BIELA.
Well, BIELA teleported code.
You can see here the genre. Okay.
Yeah, and you know what will be nice on the homepage, on the first thing that we see on the screen, maybe we will have some more images, you know, a slider or something.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
I don't know.
Why don't we make it? Okay. I think the API did not load properly. Something happened.
Oh, BIELA created the page.
Uh, I think the best approach would be to roll back to our latest version. Okay, you can see.
Oh, that was so fast.
Yeah. Okay, and let's try again. Create the movies page.
Yeah, let's go page by page, maybe. Let's not give BIELA to create two pages.
Yeah, I did that. I did that before as well, only for movies. But BIELA created the TV shows by herself. Create the movie page.
Maybe it's the same page, but it will load like based on the tags of the movies. I don't know.
Yeah.
From the API, not only movies. On that page, I want to see latest releases, upcoming movies, and okay. Try again. It's a good thing we have the rollback function.
Yeah, Leonard is asking, can you create a login page?
Yeah, we'll do that in a
Soon
second.
enough. Yeah. So what if you made a section for movie fans where they can post memes and reviews? Yeah, I think that will be messy, I'm not gonna lie. People will spam and I don't know.
Okay, we have an error here.
And we should ask BIELA.
Eggs.
BIELA can handle everything. Or like a blog, maybe.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm thinking like I'm home. I'm watching TV. I go to this website. Do I need a blog?
I think it was more
Okay.
like a forum.
Movies page is not defined, but I see that it throws me error again. Okay, let's roll back
Yeah,
and
let's try to fix it, maybe. No.
just give me a second, please. Enter started. Okay. Just give her a second, because I think the API connection is lost when it's trying to connect to a different one.
And the
Let's
pop-up message with continue to movie flicks. BIELA flicks. I think we should rename it BIELA flicks.
Okay.
Let's make this a business.
If we're going to have again that empty page, we should let BIELA know that something does not work right with the data coming from the API. I think Biela heard us while we were saying that it works so well, and decided to stop.
Yeah, but still, for almost $9 to have this kind of website, it's insane.
I know, and most of the things we did, we either have to roll back or did not work. So that's a project for how much was it? $1.05.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, maybe you should say to recreate the file and not
Okay,
update.
okay,
And maybe that will work, but let's see what Biela will do.
yeah.
DevShark said, I sold a lot of Biela website, but never a streaming platform.
Well, technically, this ain't going to be a streaming platform because we do not have the rights for the movies. But think of it like this: it will have a very similar design to Netflix's, but instead of actual movies, we'll be able from there to see only the trailers. Perhaps, who knows if this project is going well, we will have an option to buy tickets for that movie or to see which platform is streaming in real time. Because sometimes Netflix took off the movies and they appear on HBO Max on other streaming platforms. Um let's
Yeah, just
ask.
give
I
the
will
error
go
to
into
Biela and say to
this
recreate the file entirely.
file from scratch.
Yeah,
We
that
can either do that or we can disable the AI diff mode. Technically, it's the same thing. The file will be recreated from scratch for both instances.
yeah. Oh, it's again so fast. I can't even read it.
Exactly,
Too
exactly.
fast.
And think that my internet is not quite the fastest, although we have a good internet here in Romania.
How long do you think, or would you think, this kind of project would take you guys to build, like from scratch?
Uh, well, at least 1 month, I think, and 1 month at the current stage, because the design can be tricky. Perhaps some backend as well. It will take another month, something like that. There is something wrong with the platform on homepage. I cannot see the movies. Let's try and see. Yep, nothing here. I cannot see the movies any longer. Would this be because we're trying to access it from two different pages? But I don't think so, to be honest. It shouldn't affect it like this. Perhaps there are some
Yeah.
limitations of the API. I have no idea because I'm using a free API tool at the moment. Okay, and BLA fixed it in 10 seconds. That is great.
Let's see the movies page.
Yep, let me check the functionality, the initial functionalities to see if everything's all right. Then look at it. Okay, so coming soon movies. I haven't streamed. Okay, some interesting movies. Latest releases exactly as I asked. Top rated all time, popular in UAE, trending this week, and then the movie genre.
I would like a button so I can see all the options that I have, like comedy movies, drama movies, horror
Oh, like
movies.
filtering. You mean right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, and I would also like for that to have a banner for the movies section. I would like a banner just like on the home page, and then just after that banner, we will implement the movie genre selector. Okay, the filters.
Whoa, again so fast.
Okay, let, let's go here, and you can see that we have the same banner. Okay, now
But where is the filter?
no, I haven't asked yet for the
Ah,
filters.
okay, 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 okay.
Put
Sorry, sorry.
that from now in the movies section, just under the recently created banner. I would like to see some filtering for. I would like to see some filtering, and let's see what BIELA could provide for us.
Oh, I think you should power up the Mac.
Oh, sorry, I forgot about this.
Yeah, let's see some more comments. Ruvo Jahan, awesome. Yeah, Biela is awesome. Devshark, it's unimaginable that Biela did this in a few prompts. Indeed. Just imagine coding it. Just it's wow.
It's mind blowing.
Yeah, and it's so fast.
Yeah.
48 minutes, and we almost have a Netflix. It's working really fast. Yeah, this is Biela. Faster than ever.
Okay, just let me close this tabs again. Quick. Okay, and if nothing shows here, we just close the server and it restarted. Let's go again to the movies section, and we can see filters for genre, for release years, for minimum rating, sort by most popular. Let's see comedies, and the filters actually work. That's amazing. I want to see if multiple filter works, so I would like to see all comedy movies from 2025. Okay, let me close this. All ratings 9, excellent. Okay, so there is no movie excellent. Only two with great. Highest rated. Oh, this is for starting. Okay, let's see something else. So 9 plus. Again, no movie. 2025. That's a bit sad. Hmm. That's weird. Okay. I don't think that's an issue. All ratings, clear filters, comedy, 20. Okay. Then, uh, I don't know about you, but that feature with either worst movies section or that pick a movie, I would like to implement next. Shall we implement the pick a movie option first, then go to the worst movies section?
Let's go to the worst movie section first.
Oh,
It could be more interesting.
I would like a new section with worst movies. Let's add TV series as well. Worst movie TV series. Also display them from worst to, I would say, best, but I would say least worst because I think it's going to be very bad as well.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see, because I'm pretty sure that we all from here saw at least one movie, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be Avatar: The Last Airbender, I think. And to be honest, I really enjoyed that movie, even though it's one of the worst movies coming from some movie critics.
Exactly.
I know. You see a movie with a grade of 3 or 4 on IMDb, and it's really a nice movie. Okay, moving on. Hmm,
Yeah,
upcoming.
maybe it added on the movies page.
Yes, I was looking for on homepage as well. What movies? Filter, clear all. Okay, so yes, okay. Hmm, let's try a refresh. Hmm, that's weird.
Yeah, let's see where Biela change codes. That will be much easier.
Okay, service.
Only in app.js6, so the main page, home,
Okay, worst
but where's
movies,
section?
action movies. Look,
Oh, worst
TV.
rated series.
Yes,
Oh yeah.
so bad
So
that
bad
the
that good.
worst rated series. Okay, okay. It's not exactly what we desired, but I think it's good to leave these sections here on the homepage.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, now I want a new functionality. I want a movie picker. Let me introduce only my desired genre. Let's see how BL approaches this feature.
Hmm. Emojis. Yeah, maybe we can start think about the recommendation system.
Okay, okay, we can.
Yeah, we can plan it with Biela. And I think after that we can wrap up.
Okay, so we created a new component. Okay, so we have here a section, movie picker. Let's pick comedy. Pick a comedy movie for me. Okay, maintenance required. I haven't seen this movie, but let's click again, see if it works. Okay,
Hmm.
French Horror. That's a different movie. And again, a different movie. Let's change the genre. Be perfect. Okay. Not a fan of thriller movies a lot, but I think this works really good. I would be using it in case I would not know what to watch.
Yeah, same for
Yeah.
me.
One thing that I noticed is that it picks future movies too.
Sorry,
I said that
you're saying?
one thing that I noticed is that it picks movies that are not yet released.
Okay, I haven't noticed that. Good eye. Okay, let's see some western. Look, I see a movie from 2022, so it should be fine. Django Undisputed, okay, 2024. I think that was pure coincidence, or
Maybe, yeah.
let's tell Biela that we want only release movies in the movie picker section. Only release movies. I saw a lot. I saw a lot of movies that were unreleased. Try to use movies only up to 2024. Let's see if Biela will manage this properly.
Yeah, I think it. Madalina is saying it's working really fast. Yeah,
That's great.
indeed. It's already finished.
That's great. Let's pick a crime movie. Loading crime movies. 2024, 2022. Triple X, I've seen this one, is a good one. My Fault, 2023. Okay, let's pick a Christmas Romance. Okay, that's an old movie. Okay. Let's ask Viola to put adventure and history items for adventure and history. Actually, I've spotted another one. So for adventure, history, science fiction, do you notice, guys, any other genre without icon? 'Cause
No, only those
Nah,
three.
only these three.
icons, maybe. Genres in the movie pickers section.
It's again so fast.
Okay, let's go here. Okay, so it seems that Biola did not understand this properly.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's check the code. Let's see the code first.
yeah, for sure. Movie picker, JSX, documentary, or what was it again?
Also,
Adventure. Might be from using an unrecognizable action or not. No, action, adventure, sorry. Adventure right here. And we can disable it manually. Let's put a racket instead. Then, without
Whoa.
even saving it, we already have it here, so we understand why is the bug coming. Oh, okay. I think we can go to the next features. Should it be one last feature we should implement? Let's pick from the comments again, guys.
Yeah.
If you can give us some suggestions for for the last feature, and perhaps we can continue with the backend and the Supabase integration in a future episode if we decide to continue this project or not.
Shall we do the login system?
Yeah, but I think we can create only the. I think we should create only the only for dummy data. For
Yeah, yeah.
the form, I would like a login system use more data for now.
Yeah, I'm trying to read the code, but it's so fast.
Do you think, guys, we should deploy it and paste the live project link into the chat so that the viewers could see from their own devices? I think we're going to do that.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. And maybe next time, if someone will come up with a new feature idea, maybe we can implement that one too.
Yeah, sure. That sounds good. Mm.
Julia said maybe search movies by actors.
Movies by actors. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
that would be
yeah,
nice.
that's a good idea. What do you think, guys?
That's a good idea, yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can collect ideas and in future streams we can implement them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the way.
Okay, BIELA already created the login module. Made update to the header.
Yes, it's thinking on app.js6.
And now it's updating the root file.
Mhm. Okay, let's see.
Use auth.
Failed
Uh,
pass.
Let's go to the control center, and I would like to disable the AI diff mode for the prompt for my next prompt, which will be to BIELA or ask BIELA directly, and
Yeah.
we will see how diff mode is disabled now. It will recreate the whole file from scratch. As I said before, it's more costly, but I think this was this was at the beginning. We did not have any AI diff mode, and for each prompt, each file changed. Okay, let's ask again. We made this file from scratch.
Yeah, I don't know why it creates a hook with JS6 and use alt and use my list.js. Maybe that's the problem.
Okay, so shall we And another approach?
Yeah, you can say, go back on code, please.
Sure.
Yeah, you can say on hooks folder, you have 3 files. One is use auth.js. Another one is use auth.jsx. And another one is use mylist.js. Maybe you
.js.
can go in plan mode and let's ask him why you have two files with the same name.
To use auth files.
Let's see. The user is right. There are indeed two all use auth files. This is likely causing the build error they experienced here. Okay, let's see the issue and the recommendation. Yeah, now let's go on build and let's say delete them, delete the use auth JS and JS6 and create from scratch the hook. I think that would be it.
I think he's going to write and give off.
Yeah.
Why don't you best? Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I think you can manually delete them and BIELA will create only one. That should do the work.
Yeah. Okay. And we should also ask BIELA to create a clean login implementation.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, BIELA.dev. One more cursor in the market. I think BIELA is better. What do you say, guys?
To be honest, in terms of design, it's way superior. And for the backend as well, it does a really great job. I haven't managed to play a lot with the cursor, but I can say for sure that the design created by BIELA.dev is way superior. Yeah, and we can see here again.
Yeah. Oh, he didn't create the hook.
Yep.
Yeah. You can say the hook doesn't exist.
Let's give the hook doesn't exist. Okay. And it finally created, but I cannot see any update.
I think it didn't add a login button.
When I first access the platform. You're saying?
I think he didn't add the login button.
Okay, that's a comprehensive login method.
That's new.
Yeah. Okay, and again we have an error.
Yeah, give it to Biela, ask Biela. That can
Okay.
work. Yeah.
Oh, I think this is due to the fact that I disabled the AI mode. That's why.
Yeah, could be.
And one question: if I allow now, it will start from next prompt, right? It will not affect the current prompt.
I think it will not affect the current prompt.
Let's wait until the prompt is finished, then we can
Yeah.
enable again the diff mode.
Okay, so Vladislav, that's not enough to sell me the product. When you say the UX is better than Cursor, okay, next question. Why this software is better than Claude? Claude can be integrated in IntelliJ. Yeah, but Biela can do a lot of things. So inside Biela, you can plan things. You have a history tab where you can roll back. You have a roadmap. You have Content Studio where you can create images, use images directly in your project.
Also, you can use multiple LLMs.
Yeah, exactly. So you wouldn't pay for
You can see
OpenAI, Claude, or
all the available LLMs at the moment, and
GLM.
more will be coming shortly.
I think that's an answer to your question. You can try it. Biela gives free tokens.
Okay,
So you
and
can try it for free, no card required. That will be great. And we wait a feedback from you.
okay,
Okay, so we have a login page.
try demo account, and we can
Okay,
see
it's working.
the demo user sign out. Okay, that's so cool. Okay, right now, let's build a project.
Yeah, and I think we can wrap it up for this week.
Yeah.
And
Just-
Yeah.
if the people want, we can continue working on this project. Or if they have any suggestions, we can implement.
But before leaving, we will deploy the project and send you guys the link in the live chat. Well, I think the project came up really nice. We could give Netflix some competition and IMDb as well. So I think a lot of people will be very intrigued to use a platform that's UI UX is far superior than the old IMDb.
Yeah. Absolutely.
And success, we can click here and then go to YouTube chat and send it. So guys, here is our Netflix Lite Movies platform. Try them account. I hope you like it. I hope you'll test it on your own. I sent you the live link, the commentaries, and have fun building with Biela.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you can stop the share screen. So
Okay. How can I do this? Okay. So we'll wrap it up here for today. Thank you for joining us, for being with us, and we'll wait you for the next live. Have a good evening. Bye.
bye bye.